Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. For those of you that are new, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all of the clothes that I recently purchased for baby ReyAnn for summer. I'm so happy with my purchases, so I wanted to make sure to show you and link as many things down below so that you can grab some of these items as well. So let's get started.
It's gonna save you. Never look down low. Not when we shine so bright.
So I purchased everything from 4 stores, Old Navy, H&M, the Aliexpress website, which does take a while, so if you do like something on there, make sure you grab it soon because it will take a while to get here. And finally, I picked up a couple things at Carter's. So here's what I got. The first item I want to mention are these adorable jumpsuits. They are pants, they button at the leg, and then they have the spaghetti strap top. They come in a pack of 2, and the gray and the white came together, which I really like. It's like an off-white color. But I love them so much that I actually grabbed them in 2 other packs as well. So I got the light pink and the gray, as well as this hot pink polka dot one and a floral one. And those came in a 2-pack as well. I really like these because they have the pants, but they're loose fitting enough to be worn during summer, especially with the spaghetti strap. But they are ranged from 6 to 12 months. So for the fall, I can just throw a little jean jacket or a little twill jacket on there and it'll be totally perfect for a fall outfit as well. The next thing that I picked up are linen shorts, but I think the name of them are like trash bag shorts or something to that degree. I will have them linked below. I picked them up in pink as well, but they are actually in the washer. But I really love these because I'm all about that leopard print trend right now, and I just think they are just the cutest thing in the world. And the last thing that I want to mention that I picked up at Old Navy are some shoes. Now, she is in the process of learning how to kind of get her balance and walk, and I just really loved the idea of her wearing shoes while doing it. She has her little Sesame Street walker that she walks in all the time, and we just recently redid our patio, which I will show you in an upcoming video, but I wanted to make sure that she had something on her little feet if she was outside, because I do think that that walker is perfect for running around outside as well. So I got her some slip-on sneakers, and I could not say no to these adorable unicorn ones. Like, how cute are those? And then I got her some little Gladiator sandals, which are just so cute, and I am going to show you a couple outfit ideas at the end, so you'll see how I kind of paired these with each of the outfits. The next items I'm showing you here are all from the Aliexpress website. Like I mentioned before, it takes a while for these items to come in because they are shipped normally from China or Taiwan or one of those locations, so just a heads up, make sure you order these things ahead of time. But the things that I got here I just absolutely adore. So this first one is a one-piece similar to the last ones, except for it buttons at the top instead of at the legs. But I love the material. It's a soft cotton pad, and it's just the pattern with the dinosaurs is just so cute and so us, so I really liked this one. And another one is this cute little red checkered onesie. Again, it does not have the buttons at the bottom, but it buttons at the back and then it slips on. So we'll see how functional these pieces are. I think this one, the dinosaur one, will definitely be more functional. So hopefully they both work out for us, but I just love this pattern. It reminded me of like a little picnic outfit, so hopefully we can wear it on a little picnic. The next things I want to mention are here. These are 2 hats, and then there's a bow, of course. So this has a little knot, and I just love it because I love the turban hats, but I did not have a black one, so I wanted to make sure to get one before the winter. But here is another one with a bow. I'm not sure that we'll actually wear these during the summer because it is so hot, but I'm glad that we finally have these. And then finally, I picked up this like kind of snow leopard print bow. We have the same bow, or the same company's made bow with the regular leopard print one, and I just love it. The quality on these are great, and for like $3, you really can't beat it. And I also grabbed this I Have the Best Dad Ever onesie. What my plan is to actually do a quick photo shoot of her and get some pictures printed prior to Father's Day for her dad. Hopefully that works out, and hopefully he doesn't necessarily watch this before then, but you know, kind of just go with what it is. And the last thing that I picked up are these adorable little pom-pom tinnies. They're actually like soft material on the outside. They have that like walking sole, so same concept. I want her to have little shoes to run around the house in, especially because she is just getting her feet on the ground and starting to find her little independence, especially in her little walker. So yeah, I really liked all these items as well. So next I want to mention my items from Carter's. I only have these two right here, but they are both worth mentioning. This adorable little bubble romper is perfect for the 4th of July. I was hoping to get it prior to Memorial Day, but I never actually bit the bullet and did it. So we have our 4th of July outfit here. I just love it so much. It's so cute. And then I have these adorable little brown slip-on like sandal shoe kind of thing. They're definitely more like of a decorative kind of thing versus functional, but I think they will work for some of our dressier outfits. And the last two items that I want to mention are these two. These are from H&M. I love both of them so much. They are a little wrinkled because I just got them out of the packaging, but I definitely wanted to show you guys. So this pair of pants is very lightweight and adorable, like candy stripe blue. Has little pockets, not that she needs them, but they're functional, why not? And they are little joggers. So these are also ranged from 9 to 12 months. So putting these up against her, they're actually quite large right now. So I don't know that we'll necessarily get to use them until the end of summer, but I just absolutely love them and I'm so happy I grabbed these. And then of course we have this dress here. Now this is just a cotton dress. I just really love the higher waistlines on dresses like this for baby. It's well made cotton, a light like sagey green with white polka dots. I just really love this piece. Alrighty guys, now that we've seen all the items I picked up, I am going to share with you like a mini lookbook so you can see how I'm planning on pairing these outfits together and accessorizing them and making them work for a baby. So I hope you enjoy.
Stay a while, but it's not easy making promises. You've got a habit of moving on, and so you'd rather be anonymous. You said it's not as bad as all that. Just need to take a deep breath and relax. We've got plenty of time tonight.
Alright guys, that is the end of today's haul video. I hope you guys liked some of these outfits, and if you did and are interested in any of the pieces, make sure you check down below for links. I will link everything I possibly can so that you can pick up these items as well. If you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notifications, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!
Turning down all the city lights. Take my hand and make this life. Whoa, whoa.